Hello everyone! Welcome back into my channel today. Ayan, nandito tayo ngayon sa overlooking and ipapakita ko sa inyo magagandang view dito. And then, kailangan nyo magstay dito sa video na to. If you want to know and if you want to see those beautiful view here, I will show you that. So ayan guys, alam niyo na mahirap diba mag-video mag-isa kasi wala sa ating mag-video. So ayan, pagpasensyahan nyo na yung aking camera set up kasi dito sa part na to medyo malalim and then dito sa taas na to medyo mababaw. Kaya dito na lang muna ako, hindi doon kasi medyo malalim doon, nagmumukha akong punano. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo, napakaganda ng view natin. We have a lot of, you can see that those trees with the green leaves and also the mountain and also as you can see guys, there's a lot of house right there because that part is Cambagon. It's also part of Quezon, but there just are I'm not sure if that part of So ayun, alam nyo ba guys, ang hirap-hirap mag-setup ng camera kasi wala tayong phone stand kasi nga gamit ko tablet, kaya wala tayong tablet stand. Pero meron tayong pang Guys, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. So i-explain ko lang yung nakikita ko sa inyo and mga bibidyohan ko din siya isa-isa, okay? Ang nakikita ko ngayon is medyo maulap doon and I think mamaya hindi. And din dun sa part na yun, guys, meron dong dagat. Kitang-kita mo yung dagat ng Real. And also, I think that is the other island, I think it's Pulilio or Baluti. I don't know. I'm not sure about that, but I think it's Baluti. And yeah, I think it's Pulilio, the other in Aurora, and that big mountain is, we call that as Mabilog because it symbolizes Circle Mountain. Charing! It symbolizes a big mountain here, the most bigger mountain here in Barangay Bagos. Yeah, that is the most bigger mountain that we have here in Barangay Bagos Silang. And I've been right there since when I was a kid. I'm just running with my father. When my father's going to the mountain, there's a lot of beautiful waterfalls also there. And soon I will show you those waterfalls that we have here in Barangay Silang. If you're interested about that, just comment down below. If you want to see those waterfalls here in Barangay Bagos Silang, I will make a vlog about that. And I will go right there. And if you're interested about that, I just want to say, just comment down below. Okay, and so all of my viewers, thank you for watching this video. I think you like it. And don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell if you want to be updated sa my new and future video. And thank you for watching guys. And pasensyahan nyo na ang itsura ko ngayon kasi kakakain at kakagising ko lang pero nakapag-toothbrush and nilamos na ako. And yan. But I want to make a vlog right now kasi mamaya baka umulan na. Okay, that's all guys. Bye-bye na muna. Thank you for watching.